Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we will look at the different tenses in Papua New Guinea Tok Pisin, specifically the present, the past and the future tense. Okay, the very first one, going to the store. In the present tense, in Papua New Guinea Tok Pisin, we say Mama go lo store. Okay, Mama is mom. So mom go to the shop. Store is shop or store. Okay, so in present tense, Mama go lo store. In English, we say mom go to the shop, right? In past tense, we say Mama go lo store pinis. So what determines this phrase to be in past tense is pinis. Mama go lo store pinis. Okay. Next up, in future tense, we say Mama buy go lo store. Okay, buy is the word that determines the future tense, or that makes this sentence a future, the tense of the sentence in future tense. Okay, Mama buy go lo store. Okay, let's look at another example. Swimming in the river. Okay, the present tense. Ol pikinini was lo wara. Ol pikinini was lo wara. Okay, all pikinini is referring to the children. Okay, pikinini is children, and if we want to say the children or the kids, we say all pikinini. Okay, was is swimming, or when we want to also have our shower, we say was. Or when you want to go and wash in the river or swim in the river, we usually say was. Okay, wara is river or water. Okay, but we often refer to river as wara. So all pikinini was lo wara. The children are washing or are swimming in the river. Okay, in past tense, we say all pikinini was pinis lo wara. Okay, once again, this pinis determines or changes the tense to past tense. Or we can also say all pikinini was aste lo wara. So aste is a word that says yesterday. Okay, so not much has changed here. We don't have a wash in past tense. It's usually these additional words that we add to sort of speak in the past tense. Okay, so pinis is one of them, or we can also say aste, or pikinini was lo wara aste. Okay, in future tense, we say all pikinini by was lo wara. Okay, once again, you see this word by. So by is the word that changes, or the word we use to speak in the future tense. All pikinini by was lo wara. Okay, cooking food. Present tense. Mama cooking kai kai. Okay, cooking is cook and kai kai is food. Okay, Mama cooking kai kai. In the past tense, we may say Mama cooking kai kai pinis, meaning she already cooked dinner or cooked the food. So Mama cooking kai kai pinis. Okay, in the future tense, you guessed it right, we've got our by there. So Mama by cooking kai kai. Okay, Mama by cooking kai kai. Mom will cook food or cook dinner. Okay, kai kai is, we say food in general, whatever the dish is. Okay, visiting your granddad. Okay, in present tense, we say, me go looking bubu blomi. Okay, me meaning I, go, and looking is visit. When we say me go looking bubu blomi or me go looking friends blomi, looking we mean visit as well. Okay, there's another way, another meaning to this is when we're watching something or we're looking at something, we say looking as well. But in the context of visiting your friends, or in this example here, your granddad, we can use the word looking. So me go looking bubu. So bubu is grandfather or grandmother. We say bubu. Okay, bubu blomi. Okay, my grandfather, we say blomi. Blomi is my. Okay, blow me. So me go looking bubu blomi. Okay, in the past tense, we say me go looking bubu blomi penis. Or we can also say me go looking bubu blomi aste. Okay, aste means yesterday. Okay, in the future tense, we say me by go looking bubu blomi. Okay, once again, we have the by here to speak in the future tense. Me by go looking bubu blomi. Okay, moving on. Working in the garden. So present tense. Mipla walk lo garden. Mipla is we are working in the garden. Okay, so mipla is we, walk is work, lo garden is at the garden. So we usually use this word lo also to describe the location. Okay, at the garden. Okay, in the past tense, we may say mipla walk lo garden penis. Once again, the finish, the word penis, sorry. Mipla walk lo garden penis. Okay, to say that it's already done. We already worked in the garden. Okay. In the future tense, we may say mipla by walk lo garden. Okay, once again, the by. Okay. Moving on, attending church service. Present tense, mipla go lo lotu. Okay, mipla, we are going to the church. Lotu sech, it's church. Okay, mipla go lo lotu. Okay, lo, as I mentioned earlier, it also describes the location of a place or where we're going. So mipla go lo lotu, we are going to the church. Okay, in past tense, we may say mipla go lo lotu aste. Okay, as I explained earlier, aste means yesterday. Or we can say mipla go lo lotu lo last week Sunday. Okay, we can also use the word last week or last Monday. Okay, so yesterday is aste, and then we can say last week or last Monday or whatever. So mipla go lo lotu last week Sunday. Okay, you can also use mipla go lo lotu penis. Okay, we already went to church. Okay, and then the last, the future tense is mipla by gololotu. Okay, mipla by gololotu. Well, this brings us to the end of our video. I hope you learned something new in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.